want to say I can get 50 pumpkin from it, guys. You don't want it burn up, you know? Yeah. I'm not lying on my people. I look for about 150 pumpkin out of the pumpkin patch, you know, people. I see I can get at least 50 or more so I can sell. Yeah, so I can buy some building material and finish up my room. It's all ripe, you know, my people. Bean, roasting breadfruit. Over here, so in a pot, we got some saltfish. Yeah, look at that. This my people that fully cooked now. I'll get this off of the fire. You see right this one. I'm just sketch up at the fire, my people. Okay, so right here, so I just add some coconut hucks on it and make it start to blaze. Yeah, look at that. Ripe now, my people. You know, so it was sweet. Just like that. Look at that. Saltfish, I'm gonna go and cool out. Be under this one. So I'm gonna get this saltfish clean up now. Yeah, man, the yard now come on so good. Yeah, so I have a one breadfruit roast. So I just take time out and show you how I go on the yard. Yeah, man. Yeah, this is how I go out with my people. Yeah. Fully active, you know. Now the yard man thing. Yeah, man. So I have to put them dry stick here, right here, so because the dog always go in the pumpkin patch. See them there? The dog always go over there. So I have to just put them thick here. Yeah, them some cherry stick. And line it off on the edge. And the walkway. So here says the walkway. Over there says the pumpkin patch. Yes, my people. Look go on over there, so full of blossom, my people. Start to flower like crazy amount of flower. Lots and lots of flower now, say, no say. Bunny. More flower over here, so my people. As far as I can look, pure flower. Gone right up. I'll show you up the top. Yes, people, the fire blaze upon the breadfruit, you know, so you have to keep an eye upon it. You don't want it burn up, you know. Yeah. Alright, give it a turn like that. There. If you can tell me what this in the comment section, my people. Go on in a pumpkin patch. Yeah, man. So you can't see me, you know, my people. Busy upon this, you know. Yes, man, crazy, my people. Look upon it. Yeah, I'll show you what I go on. So. I think we have a young one coming. I don't know if they're going to hold still. Look damaged still. I don't know what I'm going on. After I drop off or what. So stay tuned and me update if you drop off. But this is the first one I see so far. Yeah, man, blossom, crazy amount of blossom. Yes, on the vine of the people. People, look at me, people. Hot pepper, you know, me people. Right in a pumpkin patch. Yeah, more hot pepper, more down the south. Got some gungo you also see with. Crazy thing I'm going in a pumpkin patch. Yeah, active. So far gone. All the way down in. Yeah, man, look on them vine and the people. Look how I go on, so you see? See vine them? So far the vine come from way up. You should have gone. Straight down, gone, people, straight down. Yes, we just have to go over the side there now. as you can see, couple vine gone way down. Yeah man, couple vine gone way down. See them? See how far them gone. Yeah man, see them I come from way up where I come from. So the vine them stay on people, look on them. Healthy vine, I tell you. It's a healthy vine, guys. Guys, I want to like up a video. Make this video go viral. See what I go on. They may go on now, people. See vine. Healthy vine, peeps. Yeah, man, crazy leaf. Look on the vine there, so. Look on the root gone down in the ground right there, so you see? Pumpkin vine, my people. Yeah, man. Anchor down, you know. You ever see that before? Yeah, normal thing, man. Look. Go on. See? A normal thing. See, I want to show you. This is one I leave. I look for my hand teeth. Normal thing. See, leave. See my hand. Leave almost bigger than this leaf. Straight up along the side more, it'll take over the roller here, so now. So I stay tuned, I update to know. Yeah, that I go and see there. Go on in the middle. All the way down. Yeah man. Crazy amount of blossom. Crazy. Yeah, people with a flower like crazy. Lots and lots of flower in there. You see bees in the morning time. Crazy amount of bees. You might see that. Gone all the way up, all the way down. Right, there's somebody that roast a breadfruit now. Yeah, can't make it burn up in our dinner this, you know. Got that. Yeah, man, dinner, when I have that with some boiled lamb, saltfish and bean, cooked in coconut sauce. Yeah, stay tuned for that. Yeah guys, I smell the breadfruit now. Look at that. Fully baked now. You can smell it. And it's overripe, it go sweet. So I want to get this active before it get dark, you know, people, so you can see everything. Oh, it's done. It's alright. Right, this is soak. Yes, boss guys. You know, say fully roast now. So I'm not lying on my people. I look for about 50 pumpkin out of the pumpkin patch on people. If you real no joke, my people. I look for 50 pumpkins so I can sell and raise some money. Yeah, so I can buy some building material and finish up my room, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah man, and finish up the kitchen and look and make it look proper and active, you know? So that's why I do them things, you know. Yeah. So them have some steel with my uncle. Down at my uncle's yard, but him passed away, so his son carried them up on my yard. Yeah, if you can rest. Yeah man, my uncle drop out, man. That's why I never do no video from what they too tough. Yeah. So his son put them steel, the man even put on him house top on him and drop out my people. Yeah man, they still have to take him house top, but he never live to do it. So his son rest them up on my yard till him they're ready to do them thing. I know he need to bury it still, but so you go. Yes, time to take it off now. Fully soaked now, my people. So me get it off. Yeah. Yeah, me beautiful, look at it. Keep going cool out right there, sir. Put my kitchen knife, my people. So, my loyal subscriber watch your video. I ask if you can sponsor me some cooking knife. Yes, my people. So we have the fire over there, so this will make it burn a little bit. And then see the saltfish here. The pot already washed and clean up, ready for go on the fire. Fruit, the worms here need to peel. Yeah, okay guys. Nice pumpkin patch. Yeah. Pumpkin vine, I run from pumpkin vine. And crazy amount of blossom in night. Yeah. I want to say I can get 50 pumpkin from it, guys. You guys have no idea what I can do if you get 50 pumpkin. Yeah, share it in the comment section. Yeah, I want to say I can get at least 50 or more so I can sell. I sell some pumpkin, yeah. Yeah, buy some material. Get the house active up. Yeah. Yeah, man. So that's the thing right now. Yeah, 50 pumpkin me I work for. In the pumpkin patch. So I keep on update what I go on in it. Every day I try to show you what I go on. I when I start beer. See that I go on, people. Gone all the way up to the fence, the zinc, and gone all the way up. These are the vine them I like, people. I look for 50 or more. So if you have no idea what I can do to it, get 50 or more, just share your comment, share any point where I can get 50 or more pumpkin out of it so I can sell and buy some building material. So tell me if you can produce 50 or more right here, all the way up. This is the fire that I want. Look at that now. So we got the saltfish right there. We got some blend up season. Check out the last video, you see the blend up season. Yeah. And this is coconut milk. So we got some oil for fry up the saltfish. I got the bean. I got the breadfruit to peel. Get the pot on the fire now. In the meantime, the pot are hot. I'll peel this breadfruit right here. Time to get some saltfish in the pot. Yeah guys, look at that. Yeah. Saltfish are right out. I look up on it. Time to get the coconut milk in it. Yeah, simmer down. More blend up season like that. Yummy, delicious. Let that go and simmer down until it become custard. Got that. So yummy, delicious, my people. Stay tuned. Look at that. Rich. In the meantime, I get this breadfruit peel up. The coconut sauce I simmer down. Yeah. That was sweet, guys. Yeah, so you peel it like this. Look at it. So I'm gonna peel it up and cut it up. Yes guys, this is how I go on the finishing product. And tell the people, the whole of the breadfruit spoil when I finish peel it. And if you throw it away, a good thing they have some yam boil on the side. Yeah man, look at that. Yeah man, rich and can have a good taste. Yeah. Yeah, the breadfruit fully spoiled, guys. Somebody has some yam inside a boy. Yeah, man. This is fully active. Mm-hmm. Yes, guy. Nice. Mm-hmm. Rich me people. Look there. Have a little seat. People are nice. The rain are come now. Fully active. People like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Also leave the notification. Click the notification. Until next time. And the rain come upon the pumpkin around the sun. Yeah, I'm glad for that. Peace.